Does honey benefit individuals with high blood pressure? High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health issue that can lead to serious problems like heart disease and stroke. Many people look for natural ways to help manage their blood pressure, and honey is often mentioned as a potential remedy. Let's explore whether honey can benefit individuals with high blood pressure, how to use it, and things to consider. What is honey? Honey is a natural sweetener made by bees from the nectar of flowers. It has been used for thousands of years not just as a food, but also as a medicine. Honey contains sugars like glucose and fructose, along with small amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. How honey helps with high blood pressure. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Honey contains antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your cells from damage. Some studies suggest that antioxidants can help lower blood pressure by reducing oxidative stress in the body. 2. Promotes relaxation. Honey can help increase the production of nitric oxide in the body, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This can lead to lower blood pressure. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to high blood pressure. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Improves heart health. Some research indicates that honey can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health, which is important for managing blood pressure. How to use honey for high blood pressure. 1. As a sweetener. Replace regular sugar with honey in your tea, coffee, or on your cereal. This way, you get the sweetness with added health benefits. 2. Honey and warm water. Mix a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink it in the morning. Some people find this combination helpful for overall health and wellness. 3. Honey and cinnamon. Some believe that mixing honey with cinnamon can provide extra benefits. You can add this mixture to your oatmeal, yogurt, or spread it on toast. Things to keep in mind. 1. Moderation is key. While honey has health benefits, it is still high in sugar. Eating too much honey can lead to weight gain and increased blood sugar levels, which can negatively affect blood pressure. Stick to small amounts, like 1 or 2 teaspoons a day. 2. Quality matters. Choose raw, unprocessed honey. Processed honey often contains added sugars and loses some of its beneficial properties during processing. 3. Consult your doctor. If you have high blood pressure, it's important to talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet or treatment plan. Honey can be a part of a healthy diet, but it shouldn't replace any prescribed medications or treatments. Honey can offer some benefits for individuals with high blood pressure due to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and its ability to promote relaxation and heart health. However, it should be consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or treatment plan to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your specific health needs. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more similar content.